I feel like today is like auctionoon. A couple gals out for an auctionoon.
Yeah. It's going to be a great day of auctionooning.
We're power coupling today.
Mm-hmm. Platonic power couple.
Yeah, of course.
I'm a press your luck kind of girl, like big risk.
Okay, good. I need a little bit of that to rub off on me. I feel like I've been safe lately.
Big day of auctionooning.
Well, maybe I can teach you a little thing or two.
Definitely. In terms of like interacting with and like bidding and stuff, like that's something.
Yeah.
You're better with people too. You can sweet talk them. I am so excited to work today.
Well, I am glad that you're glad. No, we're going to go make a pile of money today. It's going to be great, and you got the right attitude to make the money.
Thank you.
Babe,
Don't you just love California?
just love you.
You live it even more when your lady says,
Don't do it again, though.
I got paid.
No, yeah, okay.
Look at that. Look at that. Superman. Yeah. Look at that. We see the muscles. You already shaking.
Boing, boing, boing.
This girl does Pilates. Don't mess with
Who
her.
does Pilates?
That's right. I do Pilates.
Was that the one where you like hold position?
Yeah.
I think Pilates, they like hold position like for like 3 minutes like this.
Watch out. Ivy might try and take your man card.
What?
Ivy will try and take your man card, he said.
I don't even have one.
Good job.
I got very, very fine skin.
Yeah, you
I
know
burn
what?
easy.
There's nothing more manly than protecting your skin from the harmful UV rays.
Right.
Welcome to King Ivy's land of nothing with a gate that's falling over that I gotta pull into
That
every day.
the good is mine, the bad is mine, the broken is mine, mine is mine. Right?
All right,
There's
King
a song
Ivy.
like that, ain't it?
Si,
At
senor.
least he's a man that owns it, you know. That,
Owns his broken
mine.
land.
3 cents for
Wow,
millions
we
acres.
passed
That's $3
all your
million, ain't
acres
it?
along
yeah,
the way.
3 cents.
You did? You saw
Yeah,
it all?
we saw it, yeah.
It's beautiful, ain't it?
It's beautiful.
Oh,
See?
yeah.
She got good taste.
A lot of land.
Why you with him?
We could basically load everything up on that blue cart, tie it to the back of the Subaru, and just pull her back to Pasadena.
Just haul her back.
That thing
What's
right
up,
there
Lord?
on the left, it's a toolbox.
We know that.
It's a toolbox.
Well, you're not if you if you use your imagination.
And that thing right there is a shelf.
I'm gonna put my makeup in it.
And those are tires. They go on cars.
Oh.
Well, you already know the chair, of course.
Those are the
You know
things that
chair.
take you places, right?
And that right there is like a climbing rope. You tie knots with it, like Boy Scout knots. Rope. With an R.
Okay.
Rope.
Okay.
And right there is like a handle for tools. Outdoor stuff. Oh, wait a minute. There's some other stuff back there with wheels. Those are wheels, carts.
Yeah, I don't see anything like lacy.
No,
So-
nothing pink. Red.
Pink
but nothing
or
pink.
yeah.
So you need help with anything, just let me know. I got you.
Oh, okay. Told you, get ready for the mansplaining.
Yeah. I mean,
It's a thing.
he wasted a lot of time when he could have been looking at that locker.
Right?
I mean, good for us.
Yeah, great. Use
Yak
up all your
away.
energy explaining tools to us.